everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, this video is one of those other things. Now, as most of you know, I'm dealing mainly with barbecue stuff and a few mechanical stuff, but most of it's barbecue. And I get a lot of companies reaching out to me, asking me if I want to review their products. And I try to be very selective and only get products that I think I would actually use or is beneficial to my audience. So anyhow, with that said, a company reached out to me. They're called EdeuoeyOutdoors.com. And I'll have a link down in the description to their site and then to their Amazon store. Anyhow, they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to review some of their product. And I looked through it and found something that I thought, ooh, that might be useful. So I said, yeah, I'll take a look at it and I will share it to you guys. So a lot of you might know I'm considered kind of tall. I'm 6'5", and have all my barbecue rubs, some of my spices, and sauces up in this cupboard up here. And I try to keep it all up front so I can reach it. But there's stuff way back there that I can't reach, or up on the top shelf that I can't reach. So what did this company have on their website? Step stool. So let's take a look at it. Okay, here is the step stool they sent me. It came in a box, but it was just this is the packaging. It's a foldable, portable step stool is what they called it. And I thought it would probably work out pretty well. So let's cut off the wrapper here and take a look at it. Now, honestly, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than this, but I think this will still work. We'll see how far it extends out. It doesn't have any type of, weight restriction on it or anything that says how much it can hold, but there it is. It is a pretty small little step, but I think it'll work. It just folds out real easy, folds back up, boom. So there it is. Let's get it over here and see if it'll actually help me out. Okay, hopefully you can hear me from all the way over there. So I'll just set it down here. I don't need a whole lot of room. I would say that's probably about 8 to 10 inches. And we'll just step up on it. Now, I weigh 200 pounds. Okay, 220 pounds. Okay, 232. And it seems to be holding me just fine. Wiggle around here. Yeah. And I can get back in there now. I can see all my sauces. Oh, I have gloves up here? I didn't even know I had gloves up here. Look at there, a box of gloves. Nice. Except those where I can reach them. Yeah, no, I feel pretty sturdy on it. Not a bad little step. It'll work great for what I need. I have one more application that I want to try this out on, and that's out on the concession trailer. So let's go out there and take a look at it. Okay, so a lot of people talk about trying to get up in here, and it's kind of a tall step to get up in here. So I really thought this would be a nice little thing for it to be able to just step on. Right on in. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Pretty nice. I think that'll work great right there. Yeah, that's going to work very nice. Alright, so let me give you some true dimensions of it so you got a good idea of what this thing is. So the width of it is about 11 inches. The depth, I would say, is 8.5 inches. And your height is 9 inches. So that's how big that step is. Then you got this little handle here, and all you got to do is pull up on it. And it is probably a little over an inch, inch and a half collapsed by the length, about 14 inches. So that'll sit very nicely just about anywhere. And yeah, that's about the perfect height. Ideally, it would be nice if this, for what I want to use it for, it was like another, 5 inches long for out there. But no, I think that'll work great right there. I'm going to just leave it out here. It gives you a little security to get up in it, and perfect. So yeah, like I said, if you're interested in one of these, check out the links down below to their Amazon page and to their website, where they have this and many other things listed. Kind of impressed with it. It's better than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be, kind of chintzy, but I felt really stable on it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. That's, at my age, those are the things you have to think about. But anyhow, thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends. Let me know what you think about my reviews on these. If you want me to do more, I've got some other products that I have to do reviews on, and I'm going to get those knocked out here in the next few weeks. And then companies are reaching out to me all the time. If you like them, I'll do more of them. I can tell you, with the weather changing out here in the concession trailer, it's been a while since I've been out here. I'm being honest, just being honest. I'm gonna have to hook up the heater. It's probably 35, almost 40 degrees out here, but we need to knock off some of this chill. And then I'm gonna get back out here and start working on it again. So, all right, thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends, grill on. Go check out Edeuoey Outdoors. Links down in the description.